Hello everyone. Welcome to UPSC Explainer 101. Today, we'll explore Chapter 9, a general survey of socio-cultural reform movements, from Spectrum. Let's dive in. Discuss the role of Raja Rammohan Roy in the socio-cultural reform movements in India. Answer. Foundation of Brahmo Samaj. Raja Rammohan Roy founded Brahmo Samaj, which played a pivotal role in initiating reforms. It denounced polytheism, idol worship, and questioned the absolute authority of scriptures, emphasizing human reason and conscience. Crusade against sati. Roy was instrumental in the abolition of sati, using religious texts and rational arguments to oppose this practice. His efforts contributed significantly to the government's decision to declare sati a crime in 1829. Advocacy for women's rights. Roy was a strong advocate for women's rights, condemning their subjugation and demanding property rights and inheritance for women. Promotion of modern education. He supported modern education and was involved in the establishment of Hindu College. He believed in the dissemination of both Western and Indian learning. Linguistic contributions. Roy was a gifted linguist and contributed to the development of the Bengali language, creating a modern prose style. Evaluate the contributions of the Brahmo Samaj and its leaders to the Indian socio-cultural landscape. Answer. Reformist ideals. Brahmo Samaj, under leaders like Debendranath Tagore and Keshav Chandra Sen, advocated against social evils like sati, purdah system, child marriage, and polygamy. It promoted widow remarriage and education for women. Expansion and influence. The Samaj expanded outside Bengal, opening branches in various regions, though its influence remained limited mostly to Bengal. Rational religious approach. Brahmo Samaj promoted a rational outlook towards religion, advocating monotheism and rejecting idolatry. Analyze the impact of the Prarthana Samaj and its key objectives. Answer. Social reforms. The Prarthana Samaj, influenced by Brahmo Samaj, focused on social reforms like the abolition of caste discrimination, promotion of women's education, widow remarriage, and raising the marriage age. Monotheistic beliefs. While emphasizing monotheism, the Samaj was more concerned with social reforms than religious aspects. Educational and non-confrontational approach. It relied on education and persuasion, rather than confrontation with orthodox Hindu beliefs. Examine the significance of the Young Bengal movement and its limitations. Answer. Radical intellectualism. Led by Henry Vivan Derozio, the movement encouraged rational thinking, liberty, and questioning authority. It also supported women's rights and education. Limited impact. Despite its progressive ideals, the movement had limited success due to prevailing social conditions and lack of support from other social groups. Assess the contributions of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar towards social reform. Answer. Educational reforms. Vidyasagar made significant contributions to the education system, introducing Western thought in Sanskrit College and developing a new Bengali primer. Social reforms. He was a key figure in the movement for widow remarriage and opposed child marriage and polygamy. He actively worked for women's education, establishing girls' schools. Outline the key features and impact of the Arya Samaj movement. Answer. Revivalist ideology. Founded by Dayananda Saraswati, Arya Samaj was a revivalist movement, advocating a return to the Vedas and criticizing later Hindu scriptures and practices. Social reforms. The Samaj raised the marriageable age and attacked social evils like untouchability, idolatry, and caste rigidities. Educational contributions. Arya Samaj emphasized Vedic learning and modern education, promoting rational thinking and patriotism. Analyze the role of Swami Vivekananda in shaping India's socio-cultural landscape. Answer. Neo-Hinduism preacher. Swami Vivekananda, disciple of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, emerged as a key figure in Neo-Hinduism, attempting to align Ramakrishna's teachings with contemporary Indian society. Vedanta philosophy. He emphasized the oneness of God and the harmony of Hinduism and Islam, promoting Vedanta as a rational system and advocating spiritual knowledge alongside secular education. Social reform. Vivekananda stressed social action, criticized religious justification of oppression, and called for uplifting the masses through education and moral empowerment. Discuss the impact of the Deoband and Aligarh movements on the Muslim community in India. Answer. Deoband movement. Started as a revivalist movement, it aimed at purifying Islamic teachings and keeping alive the spirit of jihad against foreign rule. It also welcomed the formation of the Indian National Congress and opposed Syed Ahmad Khan's views. Aligarh movement. Led by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, it focused on Muslim welfare through Western education and government support. It aimed at reconciling Western education with Islamic teachings and improving the status of Muslim women. Evaluate the contribution of women in the socio-cultural reform movements in India. Answer. Pioneers. While specific women leaders are not highlighted in the chapter, women played a crucial role in supporting and participating in various reform movements, especially in the field of education and the fight against social evils like sati and child marriage. Education advocates. Women actively engaged in promoting education among girls and breaking social stigmas associated with women's education and empowerment. How did the socio-cultural reform movements contribute to the rise of nationalism in India? Answer. Rational thinking and social awareness. These movements promoted rational thinking, questioning of traditional authority, and a sense of social awareness, which laid the groundwork for nationalist sentiments. Unity against social evils. The collective fight against social evils and the quest for social justice brought different sections of society together, fostering a sense of unity essential for the nationalist movement. Educational reforms. The emphasis on modern education and the dissemination of progressive ideas helped in creating an educated populace aware of their rights and duties as citizens, contributing to the nationalist cause. Examine the role of journalism and literature in the socio-cultural reform movements of India. Answer. Awareness and advocacy. Journalism played a critical role in spreading awareness about social issues and advocating reforms. Figures like Balshastri Jambhekar used newspapers to promote social reforms and scientific thinking. Literature as a tool for reform. Literature, both in regional languages and English, was used effectively to educate the masses about the ills of social practices and the need for reform. Prelims MCQs. Which of the following movements was founded by Bairamji M. Malabari in 1908? A. Arya Samaj. B. Seva Sadan. C. Prarthana Samaj. D. Brahmo Samaj. Answer. B. Seva Sadan. Gopalhari Deshmukh, a social reformer from Maharashtra, wrote under which pen name? A. Lokahitavadi. B. Narmad. C. Vishnu Shastri Chiplunkar. D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Answer. A. Lokahitavadi. Which movement, founded in 1861 by Tulsi Ram, believes in the supremacy of the Guru and a simple social life? A. Radha Swami movement. B. Arya Samaj. C. Brahmo Samaj. D. Prarthana Samaj. Answer. A. Radha Swami movement. The Vakaliga Sangha, which launched an anti-Brahman movement, was based in which region? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Mysore. D. Maharashtra. Answer. C. Mysore. Who were the founders of the justice movement in the Madras Presidency? A. C. N. Mudaliar, T. M. Nair, and P. Tyagaraja. B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal. C. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, and Swami Vivekanand. D. M. G. Ranade, Raghunath Rao, and Dadabhai Nauroji. Answer. A. C. N. Mudaliar, T. M. Nair, and P. Tyagaraja. E. V. Ramaswamy Nikkar, who started the self-respect movement, belonged to which community? A. Brahman. B. Ezava. C. Balia Naidu. D. Parsi. Answer. C. Balia Naidu. The temple entry movement in Kerala was strongly supported by which of the following leaders? A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Subhas Chandra Bose. Answer. B. Mahatma Gandhi. Which movement, founded by M. G. Ranade and Raghunath Rao, was often considered the social reform cell of the Indian National Congress? A. Indian Social Conference. B. Bharat Dharma Mahamandala. C. Seva Sadan. D. Arya Samaj. Answer. A. Indian Social Conference. The Wahhabi, Waliullah movement was inspired by the teachings of which two figures? A. Abdul Wahhab and Shah Waliullah. B. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad and Syed Ahmad Khan. C. Muhammad Qasim Nanotwi and Rashid Ahmad Gangohi. D. Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer. A. Abdul Wahhab and Shah Waliullah. Who led the Faraisi movement, which aimed at the eradication of un-Islamic practices among Muslims in East Bengal? A. Haji Sharatullah. B. Syed Ahmad Barelvi. C. Titu Mir. D. Dudu Mia. Answer. A. Haji Sharatullah. The Indian Social Conference, often associated with the Indian National Congress, primarily focused on A. Political reforms. B. Economic reforms. C. Social reforms. D. Religious reforms. Answer. C. Social reforms. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar, a social reformer and educationist from Maharashtra, was a co-founder of which of the following institutions? A. Banaras Hindu University. B. Aligarh Muslim University. C. Deccan Education Society. D. Madras Christian College. Answer: C. Deccan Education Society. The Arya Samaj movement, known for its slogan, "Back to the Vedas," was founded by A. Swami Vivekanand. B. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. C. Raja Rammohan Roy. D. Keshab Chandra Senator. Answer: B. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Which social reformer, known as the father of modern Marathi journalism, started the newspaper Darpan? A. Mahadev Govind Ranade. B. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. C. Balshastri Jambhekar. D. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Answer: C. Balshastri Jambhekar. The Deoband movement, started in 1866, was primarily a Hindu revivalist movement. B. Muslim educational and reform movement. C. Christian missionary movement. D. Sikh religious movement. Answer: B. Muslim educational and reform movement. Who was a key figure in the Paramahansa Mandali, which aimed to reform Hindu religion and society? A. Dadoba Pandurang. B. Jyotiba Phule. C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. D. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Answer: A. Dadoba Pandurang. The Servants of India Society, founded by Gopal Krishna Gokhale, primarily aimed at A. Promoting Hindu-Muslim unity. B. Training national missionaries for the service of India. C. Organizing anti-colonial protests. D. Spreading Western education. Answer: B. Training national missionaries for the service of India. Which movement, led by Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, sought to reconcile Islam with liberal principles and opposed jihad? A. Amaya movement. B. Khilafat movement. C. Tablighi Jamaat. D. Muslim League. Answer: A. Amaya movement. Bairamji M. Malabari, a Parsi social reformer, was instrumental in the passage of which significant act? A. Hindu Widow Remarriage Act. B. Age of Consent Act. C. Child Marriage Restraint Act. D. Caste Disabilities Removal Act. Answer: B. Age of Consent Act. The Temple Entry movement, which aimed at allowing untouchables into Hindu temples, saw significant support in which state? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Karnataka. C. Kerala. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer: C. Kerala. Raja Rammohan Roy was the founder of which of the following movements? A. Arya Samaj. B. Brahmo Samaj. C. Prarthana Samaj. D. Ramakrishna Mission. Answer: B. Brahmo Samaj. Which of the following was a key feature of the Brahmo Samaj? A. Support for idol worship. B. Emphasis on polytheism. C. Denouncement of idol worship. D. Rejection of human reason. Answer: C. Denouncement of idol worship. Raja Rammohan Roy's efforts contributed to the abolition of which practice in 1829? A. Child marriage. B. Caste system. C. Sati. D. Untouchability. Answer: C. Sati. Who among the following was not a leader of the Brahmo Samaj? A. Debendranath Tagore. B. Keshab Chandra Senator. C. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. D. Raja Rammohan Roy. Answer: C. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. The Prarthana Samaj was established in which city? A. Calcutta. B. Bombay. C. Madras. D. Delhi. Answer: B. Bombay. Henry Vivan Derozio was associated with which movement? A. Young Bengal movement. B. Brahmo Samaj. C. Arya Samaj. D. Swadeshi movement. Answer: A. Young Bengal movement. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was a key figure in the reform movement for A. Widow remarriage. B. Abolition of sati. C. Anti-caste system. D. Temple entry. Answer: A. Widow remarriage. Balshastri Jambhekar is known as the father of which field in Maharashtra? A. Marathi theatre. B. Marathi journalism. C. Marathi literature. D. Marathi cinema. Answer: B. Marathi journalism. Jyotiba Phule founded which society in 1873? A. Satyashodhak Samaj. B. Arya Samaj. C. Brahmo Samaj. D. Prarthana Samaj. Answer: A. Satyashodhak Samaj. The Servants of India Society was founded by A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. C. Dadabhai Nauroji. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Answer B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Who among the following was a prominent leader in the Faraisi movement? A. Haji Sharatullah. B. Syed Ahmad Khan. C. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. D. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. Answer A. Haji Sharatullah. The Radhaswami movement was founded in which year? A. 1861. B. 1875. C. 1889. D. 1897. Answer A. 1861. Gopalhari Deshmukh, who advocated social reforms, wrote under the pen name A. Lokahitavadi. B. Lokmanya. C. Narmad. D. Sajanand. Answer A. Lokahitavadi. The SNDP movement was primarily active in which Indian state? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer B. Kerala. Which movement did Dayananda Saraswati establish? A. Brahmo Samaj. B. Arya Samaj. C. Ramakrishna Mission. D. Prarthana Samaj. Answer B. Arya Samaj. The temple entry movement was prominently active in which part of India? A. Northern India. B. Eastern India. C. Western India. D. Southern India. Answer D. Southern India. Who among the following was associated with the Aligarh movement? A. Syed Ahmad Khan. B. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. C. Allama Iqbal. D. Abul Kalam Azad. Answer A. Syed Ahmad Khan. The Deoband movement aimed at A. Promoting Western education among Muslims. B. Propagating pure teachings of the Quran and Hadith. C. Reforming Hindu religious practices. D. Advocating for Indian independence. Answer B. Propagating pure teachings of the Quran and Hadith. The Indian Social Conference, associated with the Indian National Congress, was mainly focused on A. Political reforms. B. Economic development. C. Social reforms. D. Religious tolerance. Answer C. Social reforms. Which movement was founded by Tulsi Ram, also known as Shiv Dayal Sahib, in 1861? A. Radhaswami movement. B. Arya Samaj. C. Brahmo Samaj. D. Prarthana Samaj. Answer A. Radhaswami movement. Thanks for watching.